making quick work on that one too. A little bit of debris is coming my direction now, mostly steam. A little bit of the water coming on me too. There's still some hot spots toward the back on the tailgate. Holy cow. Some are speculating that was the tire that was popping. Now they're going to put out those hot spots, and that should be a wrap pretty soon. And that Pierce bumper is barely breaking a sweat. These new engines have, these newer, I should say, speaking of 2005, have a lot more torque. But fortunately, it's not a Cummins engine. It's a crapper filler engine. New ones have Cummins. The Seagraves that I took pictures of earlier.
Starting on fire again, the other one.
And the other car has started on fire again. They loaded them with straw, I think, for a more dramatic effect. Kids are all getting a big kick out of this. One is trying to pry the hood off the Honda. Doesn't matter, the cars are going to be junked anyway. And it looks like that's finished.